My parrot, my goat and my rooster, the finest of pets that you'll find. With them I bring joy wherever I go, and make some to make things go round. To New Mexico and Arkansas, and even to Illinois shores, I sell off my kids to the highest bid, and then I return home for more. I grew up to thrive among horses, and I do not deny I was poor. Now my name is known throughout the plains and among the widows in the north, and death rides ever by my side, and the high north's far behind. For where there is will, there will be a way, and my ways are hard to find. Money's a treacherous companion, and that's why I spend mine with ease on women and friends to smooth the bends. Yeah, I keep just the little I need. They say that my pets bring both pain and regrets, and then they ask me to pass them a booster.